PRP. What is it? It's platelet-rich plasma. What's it used for? Well, I use it in my regenerative medicine armament. And it's actually a wonderful process that uses you to heal you in the most natural possible way. Professional athletes have been honing in on this technology for close to a decade now, if not longer. And what it does is it's a very simple process where we do a simple blood draw from a peripheral vein, take about 120 mLs of normal blood. That's about a third of a soda pop can. I spin that blood in a centrifuge, and when I spin it, the heaviest cells inside that solution are your red cells because they have iron in them, so they sink to the bottom. The stuff on the top is a cloudy yellow solution that's filled with platelets, white cells, and plasma. When I separate that from the original solution, now I concentrate that again. Once the platelets and the white cells concentrate out of the plasma, we get growth factors spit out from those cells. Those regenerative proteins and factors that come out of those cells directly speed up your body's ability to heal itself by kicking things that are in a chronic phase of inflammation back into a primary phase of inflammation, allow the dying tissues to die off faster, giving room for the new tissues to regenerate, repopulate, and repair cells, tissues, and organs. Until recently, this technology wasn't widely available in the United States. It was only for elite athletes and the wealthy. Now it's available for you, right here.